I'm Stephanie Essen, up here with Wendy Boswell. This is Innovator Spotlight. This time we're highlighting Andrew Johnson, the co-founder of dRaster Incorporated, a software company that specializes in making 3D more accessible to everyone. He's created art pipeline tools that are used on many major film and game productions, and the latest project is called Nira. So Wendy, can you tell us more about this project?
Sure. So Andrew has created this amazing tool called Nira that untangles and streamlines the time-consuming mess of different methods traditionally used to view, organize, and collaborate on 3D data files for films, games, architecture, and many other markets.
So how did this idea get started?
Andrew saw a need for Nira to help with the digital assets across an entire pipeline, from early concept to completion, so it's important for it to handle data of all sizes and complexity levels. For context, client-side WebGL-based approaches for 3D interaction in browsers came with big compromises: an inability to display large data sets without reducing the quality and integrity of the assets, and an inability to produce the exact visual style from the huge variety of game, film, and design rendering engines that creators were already using. Finally, client-side approaches require the underlying 3D data to be transmitted to the client device. If the content is sensitive from an intellectual property perspective, this is a big problem. So, to overcome all of this, Nira moves most of the work to a server. Touch, AR, mouse, and keyboard inputs are sent from the user's web browser to the server, where the content is rendered, then encoded as a video stream and sent back to the browser. This all happens in a matter of milliseconds, so it feels very responsive.
So this is a pretty big problem that they've solved here. So what kind of features does Nira offer creators and artists?
Yeah, so Nira has a render engine built to handle billions of triangles at interactive frame rates, an AR viewing mode, many visual mesh inspection modes, a set of intuitive markup tools for exchanging notes between creators and their stakeholders, and a host of other organization features. Its API allows for other render engines to be easily integrated, and it has support for several, including Unity, Redshift, and the Intel Osprey render engine, to name a few. It's really going to change how artists and creators work.
Well, make sure you check out the links to learn more about Nira and Andrew Johnson's other projects. Thanks so much, Wendy.
Cheers.
Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it and haven't seen any of our other videos, subscribe to the Intel Software YouTube channel. You can also connect with other developers and enthusiasts in the comments. See you all next time.